This Fender Pure Vintage 51 Telecaster set delivers a very convincing early 50s twang, with bright attack and airy shimmer that feels period correct under the fingers. The bridge pickup uses traditional construction and modern consistency to give a tight, punchy low end and a clear, musical mid-range that cuts through a band mix. The neck pickup offers a warm but articulate voice that balances smoothly with the bridge, making the in-between position especially sweet for rhythm work. Alnico 5 magnets and carefully controlled winding provide strong note definition and dynamic response, so picking nuances and volume knob changes translate naturally. Vintage-style bobbins, cloth-covered leads, and wax potting help keep noise under control while preserving that open, classic Fender character. Overall, this set is an excellent choice for restoring or upgrading a Telecaster when you want authentic early Fender tone without sacrificing reliability on modern stages.